Beneath the sunlit waves, far below the familiar blue of the open sea, lies a world few humans have ever seen. The deep ocean, sometimes called the abyss, is one of the most mysterious and least explored places on our planet. Over 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by ocean, and the vast majority of it is deep, dark, and unexplored. What exactly is hiding in these inky depths? To answer this question, we must journey far below the surface, where light cannot reach, and the pressure is immense. As we descend, the water grows darker and colder. Sunlight can only penetrate about 200 meters, or 656 feet below the surface. This is the sunlight zone, where most ocean life thrives. But deeper still, at around 1,000 meters, sunlight disappears entirely. Here begins the midnight zone, an eternal night where only the faintest glimmers of bioluminescence break the darkness. The pressure is crushing, hundreds of times greater than at sea level, and the temperatures plummet to near freezing. Yet, astonishingly, life persists. The creatures of the deep ocean are some of the most bizarre and fascinating on Earth. To survive in such an extreme environment, they have evolved remarkable adaptations. Many deep-sea animals, like the anglerfish, use bioluminescence, producing light through chemical reactions in their bodies. The anglerfish, with its gaping mouth and long glowing lure dangling from its head, is famous for this ability. It uses its bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the pitch-black darkness. Other deep-sea dwellers, such as the gulper eel, possess enormous jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than themselves. The fang-tooth fish, named for its disproportionately large, needle-like teeth, patrols the depths with a menacing grin. The vampire squid, despite its fearsome name, is a gentle scavenger that drifts through the water, using its webbed arms to catch falling debris from above. The deep ocean is also home to some of the largest animals on Earth. The giant squid, a creature of legend for centuries, can reach lengths of up to 40 feet. Rarely seen alive, these elusive animals have inspired countless tales of sea monsters. Only in recent decades have scientists been able to observe them in their natural habitat, using remotely operated vehicles equipped with cameras. But not all life in the deep is so dramatic in appearance. Some organisms are tiny, almost invisible to the naked eye. Microbes thrive near hydrothermal vents, cracks in the ocean floor where superheated, mineral-rich water gushes into the sea. These vents, discovered only in 1977, support entire ecosystems based on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria derive energy from chemicals like hydrogen sulfide instead of sunlight. Giant tube worms, crabs, and shrimp cluster around these vents, forming vibrant communities in an otherwise desolate landscape. The pressure at these depths can be more than 1,000 times that of the atmosphere at sea level. For most terrestrial life, such conditions would be fatal. Yet, deep-sea creatures have adapted with flexible cell membranes, specialized proteins, and unique metabolic processes that allow them to survive and even flourish. Exploring the deep ocean is a formidable challenge. Human divers cannot withstand the crushing pressures beyond a few hundred meters. Instead, scientists use submersibles, specially designed, pressurized vehicles, to descend to the ocean floor. These submersibles are equipped with cameras, robotic arms, and sample collectors. They have revealed shipwrecks, sunken planes, and even underwater volcanoes. But for every expedition, countless areas remain untouched, their secrets still hidden. In addition to strange animals, the deep ocean hides geological marvels. The world's longest mountain range, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, snakes along the ocean floor for thousands of miles. Deep trenches, like the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, plunge more than 36,000 feet below the surface. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall. At the very bottom, in the Challenger Deep, only a handful of people have ever visited. Each descent requires careful preparation and state-of-the-art technology. Despite the darkness and cold, the deep ocean is teeming with life. Some scientists believe there could be millions of undiscovered species lurking in its depths, from microscopic plankton to unknown giants. Each new discovery reshapes our understanding of life on Earth. For example, the discovery of hydrothermal vent communities prove that life can thrive without sunlight, relying instead on chemical energy. But the mysteries of the deep ocean are not just biological. There are also lost treasures and unsolved riddles. Countless shipwrecks lie scattered across the ocean floor, some dating back hundreds or even thousands of years. These wrecks are time capsules, preserving artifacts from past civilizations. The remains of lost aircraft, including some from the World Wars, rest in silence among the sand and rocks. The deep ocean also plays a crucial role in the health of our planet. It regulates climate by absorbing heat and carbon dioxide, and it is a source of nutrients for surface waters. The ocean's twilight zone, between 200 and 1,000 meters deep, is believed to be particularly important for the global carbon cycle. Tiny organisms called zooplankton migrate up and down through this zone, transporting carbon from the surface to the deep, where it can be stored for centuries. Yet, despite its importance, the deep ocean is under threat. Deep-sea mining, pollution, and climate change pose risks to its fragile ecosystems. Plastic waste and chemical pollutants can travel thousands of miles, eventually settling on the ocean floor. Scientists are racing to study and protect these environments before it's too late. What's hiding in the deepest ocean? The answer is a world of wonders: strange creatures, ancient shipwrecks, towering mountains, and bubbling vents. It is a place of extremes, where life has found ways to survive against all odds. And despite centuries of exploration, most of the deep ocean remains a mystery. Each dive reveals new surprises, reminding us how little we truly know about our own planet. The deep ocean invites us to explore, to discover, and to marvel at a realm that is as alien as the surface of another world, right here on Earth, waiting in the darkness, hiding its secrets in the deep. Hey there! If you enjoyed this video and love learning about the wonders of the ocean, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more amazing content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. I've got plenty more videos exploring ocean mysteries, incredible sea creatures, and everything in between. So if this kind of content excites you, check out some of my other videos. You might discover something even more fascinating. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.